Good morning, YouTube. Today, the Trachycarpus Fortunei seeds that you would have seen in previous videos, I am selling them. So I've started to box them up. I guessed that there was around 500 seedlings, but as you can see here, and that's one of the packages. There's 200 there. I've got another 150 and another 150 there. So I've already got 500 and I've still got all these left and all those left. I was actually worried that there wasn't even 500, but there you go. There's probably closer to 1,000. So it's been about 18 months and it's gone from seed to seedling to selling the plants. I only sold them because I haven't got space to keep them all. And I just loosened them out of the soil. Nice soft mix, sand and a very soft soil, just so the roots can develop. And I've just put the soil back into the containers, and I'm going to reuse the soil for the next batch of seeds. So I'm going to repeat the process and see how that goes. I've just got a big one in a pot here, as you can see above me. Yeah, so that went quite well. That was a success. And like I say, in 18 months it's gone from, I'll just show you these seedlings, it's gone from seed to seedling, all healthy, plenty of roots on them. And I mean, I didn't intend to sell them originally. I only sold them because I didn't have space, but it's all turned out well. So thanks for watching.